Ilizwe lase-Botswana lithi abo bangafuniyo ukugonyelwa iCOVID-19 abazokwamkeleka kweliyalizwe. iBotswana ithi lo miqathango kuqinisekisa ukuba liyehla iqondo labantu abangena neCOVID-19 kweliyalizwe. Kodwa abaqhubi bezigadla nabangena bephuma iBotswana abaxolanga kwaphela ngoku.
When I went for the vaccination, I went for the vaccination for my private use and instead to protect my family. But now they told me that there's only going to be one injection. Now they say we need the boost. For what? I mean, tomorrow you get the boost and then you must have another boost, another boost. Eventually you could be like a zombie. I don't agree with this. Botswana, they got a set of their own rules and they want to apply the rules and then implement them in the whole world. It doesn't work.
I don't feel okay about these new requirements because I feel like I've been oppressed. I feel like it's taking my rights as an individual because it gives me a pressure that when I have to go to its country, I'm living under certain rules.
I was suffering until, I don't know, because I'm supposed to go back again to the clinic or to the doctor to repeat myself about vaccination.
Kwaye ngoku kukhangeleka ngathi le miqathango iza kukhokhelela ekubeni abemi bangaphandle bangangeni eBotswana, ukanti abemi baseBotswana abangagonyelwanga iCOVID-19 banganyanzeleka kuba bahlawulwe umdliwe we R5,000 okanye bavalelwe entolongweni into engaphansi konyaka.